In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert currency in interactive brokers. So the first thing you want to do here, I'm currently on their IBKR desktop app. You can go ahead and go to portfolio and then right click anywhere where you want to change. So for example, I want to change euros and convert that to something else. Right click and click on convert currency and it's going to open up this. Now currently I'm inside simulated trading, so this is just paper money over here. But of course for you, you can do this inside your real live account as well. Here you can select what you want to convert from, so it's going to show you a list of all the different currencies you currently have. So I just have euros, I'm going to click on that, and then here you can convert to the currency you want, select the one you want. For example, I'm going to do GBP, and then you have to select how much, so I'm going to just do 100 euros, and then it's going to start loading for a bit, and when it actually finds the preview over here, if you're good with that, you can just click on submit conversion order, and then it's going to basically go through whenever markets open. So right now, as you can see, the markets aren't open, so this won't go through right away. However, it's been submitted and it's going to basically go through whenever the markets open back again. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.